My name is Nguyen T. Xian, and I have served as the Senior Manager at Workshop M of Eclat Textile and Garment in Non Trach, Dong Nai, for 20 years. Since implementing the Janet system and hanger lines, the time required for operator supervision and line balancing has been significantly reduced. We can now identify and resolve defects rapidly through real-time data on central displays and iPads, leading to a 12% increase in overall productivity. The hanger system also offers remarkable advantages through automation. Work-in-progress items are organized on hangers and automatically transported to the operator who will perform the final assembly. Furthermore, defective products are precisely returned to the station of the operator who handles the repair. As a result, we were able to minimize wasted time on moving, transportation, and other related tasks. This is a chart showing the waste in each operator's daily work. Operators' work information is sent from the Janet's terminal, and all the data is displayed on the screen like this. The blue color indicates the time spent performing tasks such as thread cutting to support the bottleneck process. The yellow indicates time spent hydrating or using restroom. The pink area indicates time spent on repairing work. The red color indicates the time required for sewing machine maintenance and repairs.
The most important aspect of implementing the Janet system is the ability to collect factory data in real time and visualize factory operations. Furthermore, visualization enables the development of personnel who can identify and solve problems, and facilitates improvement activities that allow for immediate problem solving on-site. These are all benefits brought by the Janet system, even in setting KPIs.